Hey there students, it's your favorite Proctored exam, homework, online class help tutor here. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm a US-based award-winning academic tutoring expert that provides online academic assistance for American and Canadian university students needing help with their Proctored exams, tests, and quizzes, as well as homework assignments, online classes, Excel projects, essays, research papers, discussion posts, certification programs, and a wide variety of subjects including math, science, business, humanities, English, engineering, social sciences, and computer programming. My full bio and contact links are in the description below. For this video, I'm going to help one of my students with a Proctored Calculus 1 exam through WhatsApp. What he's going to do is he's going to send me photos of the exam questions discreetly using a smartphone outside of the webcam's range, and I'm going to text him back the correct answers to the Calculus 1 exam. Okay? So without further ado, let's start. Okay. Here he sent me a few questions, so I'm going to start answering them right now. Okay. Let's see this question here. The number of calls received per day. Okay. Number of calls received is shown below. Find the mean and standard deviation of the distribution. Okay. Let's see here. Probability distribution calculator. Okay. 30, 31 to 34. Okay. 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 The probability is 0.05, 0.21, 0.38, 0.25, and 0.11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's okay. Find standard deviation. Calculate. Okay. So the mean is 32.16, and the standard deviation is, okay, 1.036. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. Okay. I'm just type this, write this down. Standard deviation. One point zero three. Let's see. 1.036. 1035 squared. Okay. That's interesting. That's odd. Okay. 1.3. Okay. 1.0. 1.36. Let me see if this is. Let me double check to see if this is correct. My calculator's giving me odd results. Okay. Let's see, find approximate solution. Okay. 1.3, 1.043. Okay, let me see if I got this correctly. 1035 minus 32. Okay, this is odd. Okay. Okay. This is odd. 0.3. Okay. Alright, sorry. I'm spending too much time on this. Okay, this is giving me an incorrect value, but I don't know why the calculator is clearly incorrect. Okay. Calculator is giving me an incorrect value, but okay. 5, 7. Alright. So I sent him question 1. Alright. Question 2. Okay, something simple. If 80% of the applicants on the driver exam find the mean variance at 300 applicants, okay. Mean will be 0.80 times 300, 240. Variance will be 0.80 times 0.20 times 300. That's 48. Standard deviation will be the square root of 48, which is 6.928. Okay. Wait, that's question 3. Okay, whoops. Alright, I'll answer question 3 now, and then go back to question 2. Okay, I'm gonna send question 3. Okay, question 3 is done. Now I'm gonna go back to question 2. Alright. Probably the symmetric similar clause is 35. Okay. Okay. Alright, sorry. Just had to get my pencils out. Okay, that sound is me opening my brand new case of pencils. Okay, let me just do the math on this. Okay, accepted in scholarship. Alright. Accept, scholar, no, accept, no, scholar, total, total, 1. Okay, 100%. Okay, probably just meant to be accepted by our college or choice and obtain a scholarship is 35%. Okay. If the probability that she is accepted by the college is 65%, accepted by the college 65%, so the percent that she's not accepted is 35%, and the percent that she's accepted but with no scholarship, that makes it 30%. Okay. Find the probability that she will obtain a scholarship given that she's accepted by the college. Okay. Given that she's obsessed, that's 35 over 65. Okay. 35 divided by 5, that's 7. 65 divided by 5, that's 13. 7 over 13. Okay. Alright. Question 2. 7 over 13, or 0.538. Okay. Let's move on to question 4. In certain high-risk groups, the chance appears some... Okay. At least one will have a heart attack. At least one will have the heart attack, so therefore it's 1 minus the probability that no one suffers a heart attack. Okay, that should be simple. Okay, let me just use my calculator. Actually, when I think about it, I can actually use this software, the binomial probability calculator. Alright, 55% suffering a heart attack. There are 6 people, and we have at least 1 person having a heart attack. Okay, calculate. Okay, at least 1. 0.9917. Alright. Let me just double check with the calculator here, just to make sure it's correct. I think it is correct. 6, 0.55, 1, 0. Yes, same value. Okay, so now I'm going to type in the answer to question 4. Question 4, 0.9917. Okay, does this work? Just 2 answers. I'm going to text him a question. Does work need to be shown or just the answers? Please confirm. Because these questions, they don't tell me how many decimal places to round to, and I don't know how the student's going to type it in to this little tiny box here, or whatever. Okay. Question 5. You're purchasing a new car. Okay. 3 manufacturers, 2 car sizes, and 4 colors. How many different ways? I think it's like 1 manufacturer, 1 car size. Okay. So therefore, 3 times 2 times 4 is 24. 24. Okay. Okay, question 5 is the answer to that is 24. Uh, what do you mean by no? In the same question. What do you mean by no? Which is it? Answers only or show all work? Okay, just to confirm with the student. Okay, where's question 6? Question 6 is not shown. Okay. Okay, I'm going to send him a question. Please send a clear... Okay, hold on. I'm going to type it here. Okay, I text him, please send a clear photo of question 6 because it's not listed here. Okay. Okay, this should be simple. Question 7. 90% chance of success is a binomial problem. And 10 patients, okay. And the number of successes is exactly 5 patients. Okay. 0.0015. Okay. We wrote just the answers only. So I'm going to ask, how many decimal places am I supposed to round the answers to? Alright. 10, 0.95. Okay. Okay. Question 7, 0.0015. Okay. That's question 7 answered. Question 6 still not available. Okay, question 8. Okay. Question 8. What the? Determine whether each experiment is a... let me see what that says up there. A clear photo of the top of question 8. It's cut off. Okay, I'm going to send a statement. Please send a clear photo of the top of question 8. It's cut off. Okay. Question 9. Wait, hold on. Oh wait, he sent question 6, so I'll start on that. Okay. Okay, 70% Google News is a major source of news. Find probably that if exactly 2 will say yes, exactly 2 of them. Okay. This is binomial. I realize this is statistics. I said in the beginning of this video that this was calculus, but this is clearly statistics. I should have got confused. Maybe I should have made that clear. Hold on. Binomial. Wait. .17. Oh, come on, load. 0.17. Alright. And 4 adults in the answer. And the and X is 2. Okay. For adults, 2. Okay. Exactly 2 of them respond yes. Okay. Question 6. So exactly 2 of them respond yes is 0.1195. Okay. And the probability that at least 2 of them respond yes, okay, is 0.1366. Okay. And the probability that less than 2 respond yes, less than 2 is 0.8634. Okay. This student, I'm also helping him with calculus and addition statistics. Okay, let me send the correct answers. Question 6 has been sent. Whoops. Okay, sorry about that. That was a show on Hulu I was watching, Home Economics on ABC. Recently got into it, really interesting. Might be one of my favorite shows, judging by the season I've watched so far. Okay. Question 9. On average, 3 accidents occur per month. Most probably that in a given month at this intersection, exactly 4 accidents occur. Okay, this looks like the Poisson distribution. Okay, Poisson distribution calculator. Poisson number 3 per month. And what we're looking for is exactly 4 accidents will occur. Okay, 0.1680. Okay. Question 9. Okay. Question 9. Let me see what was it again. Exactly 4 occur. 0.1680 or 0.68. Okay, question 9A sent. I don't know why it says not. I don't know why it says 9A but no B and C. Why bother with the A? Just leave it as 9. Okay. Last question. Study shows the smartphones failure at 42%. 4 smartphones were selected at random. There's a probability that the 4th smartphone is the one that fails. Okay. Let's see here. Failure rate 1 minus 0.43. So the success rate for the smartphone is 0.57. Geez, that's a really high failure rate for a smartphone. I mean, for real. Okay, getting off topic. Okay, 0.57 pass rates times 3 equals times the fail rate 0.43. Okay, so I get 0.0796. Okay, let's send this solution to the student. Okay, the reason why these solutions are appearing almost like magically on the screen is because I'm typing them into my phone. and I'm using WhatsApp web so that you can all see it here on the internet live on YouTube. All right, 0.0796. Okay. Top of the question. Okay. I'm going to send this message to the student. Question 8, still need fill at the top of the question. Alright, so just to confirm, I've answered question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 8's the only one that's missing. Okay. I believe question 8 is the last question. Okay, good. You sent me a picture of question 8. Determine whether each experiment is a binomial experiment or can be reduced to a binomial experiment. If so, describe a trial. Determine the random variable state NPQR. What? Okay. Alright, let's see here. 1. Study. Hey, you guys, how many pets do you have? Okay. Have pets. How many pets? No. Number 1 is not a binomial experiment. It can be if the 100 were asked whether or not they have pets. Then, okay, if that were the case, then n equals 100, p equals 0.58, and q equals 1 minus 0.58, 0.42. Okay, a poll that found that September 2, 72% of students plan on going to homecoming dance. You asked 3 students if they're going to homecoming dance. Okay. No, it's not. Okay. Yes, it is a binomial experiment. Okay. This experiment. Let's write down. I'm just typing out the answer on my phone here. Okay. Which would be the random variable? Which would be the ideal random variable? Okay. So to summarize number 2, yes, it is a binomial experiment where the random variable is whether or not the student is going to the homecoming dance. Period. Homecoming dance. I remember homecoming. High school was so long ago. My college homecoming was so much more fun. All right. Okay. Describe a trial. We have n equals 30. P equals 0.72. And Q equals 0.28. Let me just double check. Just to confirm. I'm sure I don't want to get too. Okay. Describe a trial. Okay. N is number. N is sample size. P probability of success. And Q probability of failure. 1 minus P. Okay, ready to send this to the student. Okay, random variable. Okay, I'm going to send question 8 to the student. Okay, so I'm going to read this all to the student. Question 8. Number 1, no, it's not a binomial experiment. This experiment could be a binomial experiment if the 100 people were asked whether or not they have pets, which would be the ideal random variable. If that were the case, then we would have the following: n equals 100, p equals 0.58, and q equals 0.42. Part 2, yes, it is a binomial experiment where the random variable is whether or not the student is going to the homecoming dance. We have n equals 30, p equals 0.72, and q equals 0.28. And I listed the meaning of all the variables: x is random variable, n sample size, p probability of success, q probability of failure. Okay. I believe this is the last question. Okay, so let me just get a response back from the student. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, I think I'll end the video here. Since I'm guessing it's going to take a while for him to write all this down, and I don't want to like have a bunch of dead air on this video. So, well, thank you for taking the time to watch my YouTube video where I clearly show how I help a student with a Proctored statistics exam. Okay, let me just like again review the questions. How this process works. Having the student help having me help the student with a proctored exam through WhatsApp. This is the process that I do. Let me explain it in specific detail. Okay. Taking photos using the phone option. For proctored exams, what the student does is that they can adjust the webcam to focus only on their face and not their body. Then they can use their smartphone outside the camera's range to discreetly text me photos of the exam questions through WhatsApp, and I can text them back the correct answers to the exam. Um, I recommend that as soon as the exam starts, the students should start immediately taking photos of all the exam questions and kindly send them to me one at a time, one immediately right after the other. It is very important that they disable the ringer and all sounds on their smartphone, including the vibration, and they should clean out the camera lens beforehand to ensure that the photos are crystal clear, and to ensure that the phone is fully charged at the start of the exam. They should also set the phone display to always on to avoid the screen going to the lock screen during the exam. Okay, so I've done this method many times before, and it's usually very successful. I haven't had haven't had any incidents where the student was caught doing this. All right, these were the questions the students sent me through to the exam using their smartphone. So this was question 1, statistics exam, proctored. Question 2, question 3 and 4, question 5, question 7, question 9, question 10, question 6, and question 8. Out of order, but regardless, all 10 questions. Okay. Okay. So just to confirm, I said, what time were we able to do the Calculus 1 exam? He said, great, let me know whenever you're ready. I'll start the test and send you pictures. I'm ready right now. He said, please give me 5 minutes, no worries. I asked, is the exam show work or just answers only? He said, I believe it's answers only. The professor didn't mention showing your work, but I'm not 100% sure. I will know once I open up the exam. I told him I'm ready now. He said, okay, I'm going to start. I said, great. Then he started sending me the exam questions. He only just sent that one photo, but I told him, reminded him, please send all questions all at once, one immediately right after the other. Okay. Then he starts sending all the photos all at once, and I send him the correct answers. Question 1, question 3, question 2, question 4. I asked, does the work need to be shown or just the answers? Please confirm. He wrote no, which confused me. So I asked, what do you mean by no? Which is it, answers only or show all work? All right. I sent question 5. I asked for a clear photo of question 6. He confirmed that's answers only. I wrote, how many decimal places am I supposed to round the answers to? Okay. Question 7. I said, please send clear photo of question 8. It's cut off. Okay, then he sent me a photo of question 6, like I requested. Then I sent the solution to question 6, question 9a. I don't know why this question says part A if there's no part B. That makes no sense. Just leave it as question 9, but whatever. Question 10 is sent. Question 8 still need a photo at the top of the question, which he didn't send until just recently. And question 8 is actually the longest, most complicated question since it requires a lot of writing. So I sent the solution to question 8. I believe this is the last question. Alright, so that concludes my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy watching me help this student with his Proctored Statistics exam. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.